Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunita. I am from UP. I hope you're doing well and learning this beautiful and amazing language in a fun and simple way. Friends, this is evening time and I am free right now. That is why I have come here for practicing English. Before it, I was downstairs and I was studying. You know very well, I am a I am aspirant and I am preparing for government exam. That's why I don't get much time to practice English. When I get time, I try to practice English and improve my communication skills and my English. Everyone knows that practice is very important to become fluent, to become confident in this language. I know it. I know very well. But due to lack of practice, I am unable to speak a fluent English. But every time I try to speak English, and every time I try to make a video, but again and again I fail. It's my problem, and it's very common. When I try to speak English, my mind goes blank. I know many words, I know sentence, but I don't know how to frame it and how to represent it in front of others. And it is about due to lack of practice. I know grammar rules. I know some grammar rules, and most of the people says that there is no need any grammar rules to speak English. But listen one thing: you are not English speaker, okay? And you are Indians, and your mother's tongue is maybe Telugu, Hindi, Bhojpuri, Marathi, or any other language. So it is impossible to learn English. Maybe it is easy to learn English without grammar rules. But you know, I am a I am a young. I am not younger. I am not small. I'm not younger. Okay, and my mother's tongue is Hindi. So how I learned English without any grammar rules? I can't express. I can't understand expressions. Okay, so maybe it is very important for me to learn some basic grammar rules in English. Okay, some basic grammar rules. I am not saying you have to learn many advanced structure or many grammar rules, but you have to learn near about some basic rules to learn English. Actually, you know, when I was a beginner, when I was a beginner, uh, at first, I learned tenses. Tenses helped me to form the sentence like a present indefinite tense, present continuous, present perfect, and past and future. Because when I to do anything, most of the things which I do in the present tense. Okay, when the work is when the work is done, or when we are doing any things, this is the present continuous tense. And when the work has done, like this is present perfect tense. So without knowing tense, I especially I can't form the sentence. And in my case, tense helped me a lot to speak English. Okay, especially I mentioned it. Tense tense helps me a lot to practice or to learn English language. Okay, so I know tense, and with the help of tense I practice English, and some basic modal, some basic grammar rules I know very well, which I can use in my conversation. Okay, and there are some things which is very different, and which I follow them, like phrasal verb, collocations, phrasal verbs, idioms. It is it is very common, and you can learn very easily if you are if you want to learn English language and you are beginner, so you can learn small sentences. Okay, you know, when we used to go to in the schools, and we don't know what is the meaning of good morning, good afternoon, bye, hello, hi. We don't know, but we learn it, and we use it in our childhood. Okay, so it's a very simple and it's very common if you are a beginner, and if you want to learn this beautiful language. So first of all, you should learn some basic basic rules. And if you want to speak English without knowing rules, without knowing structure, then you have to go you have to go English made structure. Sometimes ago, I told you, like, good morning, good afternoon, how are you? I'm fine, what about you? So, this type of sentences you can learn and you can use in your daily life. When we speak this type of sentences, you get confidence, and you got confident. When you got confidence, you can understand very well what is the matlab, sorry, what is the feeling of heart your heart. So thank you so much for watching this video, and it is getting dark, that's why I should wrap this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will meet in next video. So bye.